Hello, Michael Gish, MarineMax in Maryland. Today I'm standing at our new facility on Kent Island on the first cruisers yachts 50 Cantius that we now have in stock. Starting at the swim platform, lots of room back here. You can see the slide-in spot for the dinghy chocks. Slide it in, adjust it to whatever your dinghy is, soft bottom, hard bottom. You want to put a small jet ski on there, you have the room for it. Swim ladder off to that side over here. Over on the port, when the swim platform goes underwater, the stairs deploy. You can see they nicely line up with the stairs right into the cockpit. So if you're using this more as a beach, hanging out swimming off of it, you can climb right in, go right up into the cockpit, do whatever you need to do. This boat is all about entertaining. Entertainment space, you're going to see that theme all throughout. Pick up back here, cockpit grill. Still have some room to work, so if you're doing a little food prep before you throw your fish on, your kebabs, whatever it is you're cooking, you have that space. A couple of cup holders on either side, really nice touch to finish it off. You're going to see storage all throughout, so there is storage inside of here, as well as your control for the cable master. You're going to see that tucks away the cord real nice and easy, as well as the switch to lift the trunk to get to the storage underneath there. Lots and lots of storage, great place to throw your lines and fenders, all the things that you need for the business side of boating and docking. You can see you have the entrance on either side. Personal little favorite here, slate gray hull, really looks sharp in the sun. Freshwater rinse down. Coming into the cockpit, nice table, high gloss finish, seating all throughout, U-shaped seating. You can see we have the sure shade out. Gives you a nice space to hang out and be out of the sun. If you want to roll it back and get all the rays that you need. Docking station on the port side. So you do have controls to start and stop the motor as well as the joystick. So when you're docking, real easy spot, great visibility. You can see forward, you can see the transom. Really makes it simple. Cockpit refrigerator, so you don't have to go too far, go inside of the boat when you're out here entertaining everybody. Engine access. Very convenient, lots of room in there, really clean, concise, well-labeled engine compartment. As you can see, the power on this one, D8 Volvos. Those are the IPS 700s, so she really cruises right along with that. Also gives you that joystick maneuverability, efficiency, and just general smooth running. Sliding glass doors open this way. This will drop down. Really give you that indoor-outdoor space. Again, it's all about the entertainment, getting the people on the boat. You walk right into the galley. So fridge, freezers, fridge, convection microwave oven, 2-burner grill top, really large sink. So if you've ever been on a boat where you're trying to wash up your dishes, you can never have enough room in the sink. That gives you that nice option. Storage all throughout. You can see the cabinets up high, cabinets down low. Everything has a space on this boat, which I really enjoy. Nice seating here throughout. A couple more cup holders. Elevated salon table. So this will open up, give you that little bit of extra space, room for 6. Great place to hang out. The other thing you're going to notice that I like about the boat is when you run on the boat, it doesn't leave the captain on their own. There's room for another 3-4 people to be up here with the captain, so you can still have that conversation. We have the sunroof open here because it's a beautiful sunny day in Maryland, and push of a button and close that right up as well. You can see the fully integrated Garmin glass cockpit screens here. Everything you need to know about your vessel, and a few things probably you don't even need to know, all integrated throughout. So the motors tie into here, gives you all the motor data, temperatures, fuel burn, again, everything you need to know to properly operate. You can also scroll through GPS, sonar, radar, all of that comes up here on as well. Of course, you're going to have your VHF. We did opt to put this Seakeeper in here. Seakeeper stabilizer just gives you that little bit of extra comfortable ride when the seas get a little bit rough. Still have joystick docking here at the helm as well. Opening window. Again, just personal, easy thing to dock. You need to talk to your dock mate who's ever thrown lines and fenders. Very easy to communicate through that. Head now to the staterooms. First thing you're going to notice, first thing I'm going to notice, wide open atrium. Lots of room, lots of light. Doesn't give you that claustrophobic down in the boat feeling. I'm gonna actually start back here in the midship master stateroom. So as we climb through here, it is full beam, port lights on either side, opening windows on either side, so you get that cross breeze rolling through here. And again, really storage all throughout. So you have this nice little place to sit, but you also have all the drawers over here and cabinets as well. So again, you want to spend a weekend or 2 weeks on this boat, you're going to have the space that you need. Washer dryer combo tucked away nicely in the master. You know, if you've ever used one of those, works great for smaller things, swimsuits, you know, maybe touch up your towels or something. Not going to do 2 weeks worth of laundry on there, but definitely gets the basics done for you. Of course, this is a master stateroom, so it's going to have a master head as well, completely separated from the rest of the boat. You can see the door to the entrance to the master is actually forward of me. So you have standing shower stall, head made by Dometic, nice sink, and again, lots and lots of storage. Add a little bonus, one big hanging storage locker in here. You know, one of the things that I did not talk about on the cruisers is the wood finishes that they use. They do all that in-house. Cruiser Yachts is made in northern Wisconsin, so really that heritage of craftsmanship, and you're going to see that all throughout the boat. So we go to the forward VIP stateroom. First thing you're going to notice, headroom. Lots and lots of room. Your guests will be comfortable in this stateroom. Nice queen size island bed, so you can climb on either side of it. Center line, so it's very comfortable to actually sleep on. Television, storage hanging locker, as well as access to the head. So this is the second head on the boat. It is connected to the VIP stateroom, but it is also going to be the day head as well. So again, you get the Dometic head, real easy system. You press the button and it flushes, really similar to what you'd have at home. And a standalone separate shower stall, so you're not showering on top of the rest of the head. Third stateroom, bunkhouse. Again, great place. Put up a couple of kids if you have them on board, maybe an adult for a night or two if you're doing a long weekend with some friends. Hanging locker in there as well. That is also your panel for the electrical, so nicely tucked away back there on that back wall. So we're going to slide forward here. You know, one of the biggest trends in the bigger boats right now is the bow pit, and this boat is no exception to that rule. The cruisers really did a great job with that. So I have easy access on either side of the boat to walk around here. Nice side gunnels, easy to walk. You can see handrails all the way throughout here. Something to grab, nice high stainless steel. And here it is, nice recliners, table. This tucks away, integrates underneath here. Lots of room to sit, hang out. Day like today, just kind of watch the world go by. Here at the Narrows, we get a lot of boat traffic. You can just watch everybody cruise back and forth. Your windlass is underneath there. We did opt again for the option for the sunshade. So there's a couple of clips. You slide out, put the pole in, pull it up. A couple of minutes, you have a nice sunshade spot. Mike Gish, MarineMax, Maryland. This is our brand new Cruisers Yachts 50 Cantius. Give us a phone call, stop on in. We can't wait to get these on the water and show you what they can do.